there Japan, welcome back. Back on the FJ again. We're going to try and sort out this leaky fuel problem. My last video, I was hoping to get it all connected up and working nicely, but so I could start it up for the first time, but after double checking it, it was just dripping too much, and I thought it was from the fuel filter was worse, but actually after leaving it a bit of time, you can see I've got a rag underneath the petcock. The petcock dripping loads to the point where it's soaked to this rag where it's been on there 2 days. Ordered online, proper Yamaha petcock, and then I remembered I had a spare fuel filter for my R1, which is parked here. So I'm going to use this and hopefully start it up today. So when possible, get a proper manufacturer part, because in my 2 decades of customizing the cars I've owned and working on the motorbikes I've owned, the manufacturer parts are always better quality. They always cost more, but that makes sense because they're better. So if you can afford it, get the proper parts. This is good. Have a look at this. All is nice. Comes with that ring as well, which is good. So it's just ready to fit straight on. So it bolts out, lift this up. Oh my god, that's completely soaked in fuel. See, always worth, when you're working with your fuel system, always well worth, and just good common sense to check, double check, triple check, everything's okay before you start your bike up. Because when I fitted this, yeah, it was just like, the fuel line looks a bit dry, it connected onto the fuel filter a bit too easily, double checked it, seemed a bit damp, but I was still going to go ahead and start it up. It's only after mucking about a bit and then triple checking it, I was like, no, that petcock is getting like more drippy, so not safe to ride. So it's a good job I did all those double checks. Yeah, you can see it's just soaking wet now. Actually, I think I could just lift this up now, ready to go. Okay, beautiful. Still fuel in this tank, so being a bit careful with it. Right, I like the idea of replacing this. Just simply unscrew it first of all. No, it fits terribly. I'll use this. Ten? 10. Okay, that was loose. Bikes, I'm well up for just spending a bit of money and replacing parts when any little issue like this comes up, just because all the parts are so old. I certainly won't throw it away. I'll get a new washer and ultrasonic clean it, so make sure it's good in case I need one again in the future. Right, so find out why it's leaking. Plastic washers are all crappy, look. So I just want to just get this one on, double check it fits flushly, and I'll put the tank down and check it's not dripping. I've got no idea the torque settings on this, so I'm being careful with it. It's pretty good. No drips. Perfect. Okay, so I was just squeezing the fuel filter on this, and I was going to take this off and fit it on there, but it just looks, there's like cracks around the outside. It's just a crappy bit of fuel line. So hopefully I ordered a load of bits from Yambit, so I think they're arriving tomorrow or the next day. I'm just going to wait for my new fuel line and yeah, do it properly. Otherwise I'm going to be doing this twice. I don't like the look of this, so I want to replace it anyway, so as I've got new bits on the way. So again, excited to get it started. Not doing it today. Anyway, petcock done and not tripping, so sorted the leak for now.